Hello YouTubers, and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today we have another unboxing, and it should be my new headset. And the reason I bought this new headset because I had a Turtle Beach Earful Z22 amplified gaming headset that I used every single day. I bought it just under a year ago, 2017, from Amazon, and they broke. They just fell apart. So I thought, well, I'm not going back with them because they only lasted 1 year. It could have been, you know, just bad luck, but I thought I'll try something else. So, so goodbye to the Turtle Beach, and hopefully hello to my SteelSeries, I think it's called Arctis Pros or something, gaming headset. High-res speakers, drivers, DTS headphones, X V2.0 surround. So we'll see. So that's what should be in this box. If it ain't, you won't be seeing this video. So with that, I'll do the unboxing because there's going to be another box inside, bound to be. So like I say, I bought this on Amazon. It cost me £180 or just under. So it's the most expensive headset I've ever bought, and I just hope they live up to their reputation. Because I use my headset nearly every single day. I'm always on the computer doing things, and I prefer to wear a headset rather than use my speakers. I like to use my speakers if I'm listening to music and I have people here and that. So, as usual, oversized packaging from Amazon. There you go. But I'd rather, you know, be well packaged, not packaged. So there you go. So you know it's brand new because it's still sealed around the plastic. I'll get it out of it. I'll tell you what, I'll move the camera around first, make it a bit easier. So give me a sec. So here we go then. Oh, I can do it from down here. Hopefully. Like I say, it's the most expensive headset I've bought. I'll stick a link in the description in case you decide you want to buy a pair of these. Like I say, I've read some reviews, spent all day, well, all evening yesterday looking around for a nice headset. So let's just show you around the box. Nice box, feels good quality. I should hope so for the amount of money I'm spending. So what you've got here, you've got includes cables, 4-pole 3.5mm adapter, main headset cable, and USB chat mix dual, which is that thing now. And then it's got, oh yeah, that's one of the other things it's got on it, which is frequency response 10 by 40,000, which I'm not sure if I'll be able to use all that, but we will see. And that's just on the headset, and then you've got microphone response. You see that down there. So yeah, we'll get on with the unboxing because that's what you want to see. If you're here, that's what you're going to see. So just cut it there. Got the trusty knife out. I'll move that out of the way. How do I do this? I reckon it's probably like that. Could be wrong. I'm just trying to do it so it looks so I know what I'm doing. Obviously I don't. I would have thought it'd gone like that. Right, tell you what we do it properly. Cut that off, turn it up, I think it's like that. There you go, there you go. So there they are. That's just a cover, yep. Right, first feel, yeah, it feels really nice, nice quality. Nice bit of padding there, which is very important because I wear glasses, so hopefully they won't interfere there. That's your microphone. Apparently it's a pull-out, which is very good. And push in, and then you've got connectors on the bottom. I'm not sure what they are yet, but that's a mini USB by the looks of it. Then you've got your volume and your microphone. That'd be like your mute button, I would have thought. Oh, I see, it pops out slightly. See that? Hopefully you can see that. So it must be when it's out it's muted, when it's in its normal thing. So it comes with this like elastic band thing. I'll put it on my head once I've shown you everything in the box. What's under here? Just the filters and your accessory box. Oh, nice, cleverly done. So what you got here? Love it. It says love it on the front. Hopefully I will. And hate it on the back. Let's see what this is. We're thrilled that you are enjoying your SteelSeries product. Well, I can't say I'm enjoying it yet because I haven't tried them out, but hopefully. And we're here to help. So hopefully I will enjoy them. Product information guide, as usual. Quick look at the first couple of pages. Welcome, a welcome intro. And it'd be about what's in the packaging, you know, what you get for your money, which is already on the box. And there you go, it shows you all the connections. See that? And what all the features done too. So 03 is your clear cast microphone. Yeah, we know that. Right, number 10, headphone share jack. Oh yeah, I did read up on this, yeah. That's a share jack, so what you do, if you've got a double jack, you can plug one end into there and one into another headset, and whoever's got the other headset on can actually listen to you at the same time, which I thought was very clever. I didn't buy it for that reason though, but you know, it's just an added bonus in case you ever need it, in case you have someone come around and wants to listen to what you're listening to without putting the speakers on. So what's in here? Alright, that's your little, I don't know what that is actually. Do you know what? I think they sent me the wrong one. It says wired, but that's not wired. That's wireless. Oh, could be a bonus. Might just be me, but we'll find out. It'd be funny if it is. One of your leads, little jack on there, and a little USB connection on the bottom. No, it can't be the wireless one. Must just plug in somewhere. It's a plug-in cable. That's all. I'm getting carried away. Getting excited now, you know. Right, what you got here? And yeah. Oh yeah, these apparently light up as well around the edging. Before pulling that out. And I think on the microphone on the end as well. And what we've got here? We've got another mini USB connection. See that? Sorry. Difficult to see where I'm looking here. So right, move the box out of the way. What I'll do, I'll set them all up once I've read the instructions, of course. Find out what this does, because I don't know what that does. And then I'll let you know what they sound like. I might do it in two parts. It depends how long it takes for me to finish this first part. If I do it in two parts, then I'll finish this bit right now and say thank you for watching. If you have any comments, please post them below. And if you like my video, give me the thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down. And please subscribe.